lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba ẹ dákun ẹ bá wa dá sí i ẹ ṣàánú ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Ṣèyí and every other woman in Nigeria.
Ọ̀gá àgbà ilé ẹ̀kọ́ tí wọ́n ti jí àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àti olùkọ́ gbé ni àwọn aráabí yìí tuntun fi fọ́nrán rẹ̀ léde o wípé kó jáde kó wá bẹ̀bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn láti tètè jẹ́ kí àwọn aráabí yìí kó fi àwọn sílẹ̀. Bákan náà ni wọ́n sọ dímọ̀ wípé àwọn aráabí yìí wọn kò ní sùúrù mọ́ o nítorí pé wọ́n ti ń kan àwọn lójú níbi tí wọ́n fi àwọn sí àti wípé àwọn ọmọ náà wọn kò rí ìtọ́jú tó péye nínú òjò nínú oòrùn ni wọ́n kó àwọn sí. Ìyá yìí bẹ̀bẹ̀ o ó ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí ọ̀rọ̀ kàn tó fi mọ́ ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu àti gómìnà onímọ̀ ẹ̀rọ Ṣèyí Mákindé wípé kí wọ́n tètè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ ọlọ́gbọ́n o. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ohun tí ìyá yìí sọ.
Every other woman in Nigeria to please help us. I'm calling on NUT and cops to help us, to talk to them. We don't need force. All they have to do is to negotiate with them and release us. We are in the cold. We are under the sun. We are under the rain. The children and the adults as well. Please, we are begging you. We are begging you. Don't let them waste our lives. They are getting impatient and frustrated. Please help us. We are begging you in the name of God. We are pleading unto our governor, engineer Seyi Makinde. Please help us negotiate with these people. Whatever they want, please give unto them. Please help us save our life. Please, we are all here, all we the teachers and the children. Please, we need your help. President Tinubu, please negotiate with these pupils. These people, please help us. Whatever they want, please give to them. Please help us save our life. Today again is Children's Day. About 14 days now, we are here in the bush. Please help us. Help us. We are calling out to the Obas.
See, we have got our own school. Our teachers over there. This is a very tough period for me as a person and also for our state. But people will know this security was one of the major pillars of this administration. I put together with me to package, and the same thing if we package. And it will remain a major pillar. We wanted state police. It was because I get state police as a stopgap. They should stop wasting Nigeria's time. I'm about to say the Speaker of your State House of Assembly 1B. We passed a common law in Pupils Southwest, the House of Assembly, both states who are in Southwest Nigeria, they passed the law. And that led to the creation of Amotekun. The only state still create Amotekun, Lagos State ni. A sì mọ ìdí tí wọn ò ṣe create Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn torí pé tó jọ̀gá wọn kò fẹ́ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Bọ́ ibi tá a dé yìí tó mọ̀ pé ajá lọ́bọ̀ fún wa. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe state police, don't ask the Inspector General of Police láti create state police fún wa. Our state assembly will create it. Give them the authority, the support. They are here. Within the shortest possible time, state police will come to be.
Ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ló ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀. Ààfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ kó dọ́jà ni. Èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi, fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ mí sí. Èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.